सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय वैलेंटाइंस डे वाला व्लॉग। एज यू कैन सी मिडनाइट मुझे ये चॉकलेट्स मिले। नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग हिज टिफ़िन, मैंने सोचा कि ये हार्ट शेप वाला चपाती भी डाल देती हूँ। आई नो इट साउंड्स वेरी चीज़ी, बट उसके साथ आई ऑर्डर्ड हिम सम फूड विच विल डायरेक्टली रीच his office. Like I ordered some chicken lollipop. Now I'm leaving for office, and before that I am showing you my outfit for the day. As you can see, this lovely heart print shirt, I thought it was perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'm going off to office, and the plan is that my cousin has planned something surprise for us in the evening. But हमने सोचा कि we'll also meet for breakfast. So a few hours later, like after I did some work, I met Ravi for breakfast. So before going to office, he came, and we both had medu vada, which we both like, and it was nice, crispy, and tikha chutney just makes it amazing. Uske baad we had nariyal pani, and then we headed back to our own offices and we worked. 8 hours later we met again, and we are on our way back. We are going to drop our bike and then head towards metro, take the metro and reach the destination that my cousin has asked us to go. So she just gave us a timing and said us that you have to be there by around 8 o'clock. Eat something well, you can also carry something to eat. So हम थोड़े confused थे कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. हमें पता था कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. Basically she asked us to go to Infinity Mall Malad. बट वहाँ जाकर हमें क्या करना है, वॉट शी हैड प्लान फॉर अस, वो थोड़ा सा हमें पता नहीं था. थोड़ा बहुत मुझे आइडिया आ रहा था, बट एज यू कैन सी वी रीच द अराउंड 7:30ish. मेट्रो से नीचे उतरते ही हमने डी मार्ट के पॉपकॉर्न ख़रीद लिए. द मिडिल क्लास एंड मी वांटेड टू कैरी सम नाइस स्नैक्स, क्योंकि मेरी सिस्टर ने बोला था कि यू कैन कैरी योर ओन स्नैक्स. सो दैट मेड मी वेरी हैप्पी. हमने थोड़ा बहुत मॉल में टाइम पास किया एंड देन थॉट कि हम कुछ खा लेते हैं जाने से पहले. सो वी वर थिंकिंग फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शन, सरदार जी से ले या हम फिर KFC से ले. तो हमने दोनों से थोड़ा थोड़ा ऑर्डर कर लिया और सोचा कि पहले पेट पूजा करते हैं एंड देन लेट्स सी व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट. KFC से हमने चिकन विंग्स लिए एंड देन हमने वो चिकन विंग्स खाए, which were very tasty. As you can see, we both are twinning. We're wearing white, so ये हमारा एक special thing है. We always like to color coordinate our outfits, and we love doing that. I love doing that. I force him to do that. That's a different thing altogether. सरदार जी से जो हमने अंगारा चिकन टिक्का लिया था, it was expensive to be very honest, and it was not even worth it. Like मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा वो. Then हमने लिया mojito from Pizza Hut, and as you can see that lovely moon, and थोड़ा थोड़ा हमें अंदाज़ा लग गया था कि this is movie under the sky by the Sunset Cinema Club, and we were extremely happy. मूवी का नाम हमें पता नहीं था, एंड इट वॉज एन इंग्लिश मूवी. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग वी अंडरस्टूड. उसने हमें स्क्रीन शॉट भेजा था इन सच अ वे वेयर द डिटेल्स वर जस्ट रिमूव्ड एंड ओनली द सीट, द बुकिंग डिटेल्स वर देयर. The entire setup was so mesmerizing. To give you a back story, actually 5 साल पहले जब हमारा engagement fix हुआ था, तभी भी मेरी sister ने हमारे लिए movie Under the Sky book किया था, and it was a coincidence that exactly 5 years later, on Valentine's Day, she planned something similar. And as you can see, the movie screen, the black sky and that moon over there, everything looked beautiful. The movie was fun. It was Crazy Stupid Love, the name of the movie, and it was fun. बहुत मज़ा आया. We enjoyed the snacks, we enjoyed our drinks, and it was a lovely movie. As you can see, there's a picture I've put over here जो हमारा पुराना photo है from 5 years ago, and it was such a beautiful experience. Then हमें भूख लगी तो हम वर्सोवा चले गए दार्जिलिंग लेपचा मोमो खाने के लिए, बट वो अवेलेबल नहीं थे, वो बंद थे. तो हमें सूरज लामा मोमोज खाने पड़े जो हमें नहीं पसंद आए, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्टली. सो बिकॉज रवि वॉज हंग्री, देन वी डिसाइडेड टू ईट एग paratha or egg roll, and we finished our day with that. And overall it was a beautiful day. It was a very nice day. और बहुत अच्छा लगता है when somebody else plans something for you, and you just have to go and enjoy, and don't have to go through all the planning and everything. So वो बहुत मज़ा आया हमें. And as you can see, ये egg roll बन रहा है because he was a little hungry and I was not that hungry, and the momos were a little disappointing. Then we ended up our day with this egg paratha, and yeah, it was fun altogether. बहुत मज़ा आया हमें. And overall it was a lovely day. We ate a lot. We saw a beautiful movie, Crazy Stupid Love, and the egg roll was also good, as you can see his expressions, and it felt so refreshing. All thanks to my sister. So this Laziz Darbar, if you want to know, is again opposite the Darjeeling Lepcha Momo जो हम नहीं खा पाए. And these are some beautiful pictures, some memories that we're going to carry. I remember we were very happy when we saw the last movie 5 years ago. The movie was Pretty Woman, and वो हमने ITC में देखा था. And this we saw in Infinity, and the location, everything was so beautiful. These small dates make life very, very special. Thank you to my sister, and thank you to my love.